Yes. I swear to God, it's like he's pulling his pecker up. Just like that. They said it looked like his. Well, they didn't say jacking off, but I can call it jacking on, jacking himself off. Well, they had him on Good Morning America yesterday morning, and he showed it again. And they didn't. They didn't think he should have been voted off for that. But I do. Why do you have to sing and get it fixed?
I don't know.
I mean, that's ugly.
Uh-huh.
That I'm like them. And Howard Stern said his mother called and said, if you don't vote him off, I'm going to kick you off. That is ugly. Very ugly. Nobody should get up on the stage to perform and act like they're handling themselves. Nobody.
Nobody should do that.
Not nary a person should do
But
that.
he was really ugly. I ain't kidding you. I was just kind of. I thought, why don't you just jerk it out?
I mean, you might as well, right?
Right?
Yeah, that's what I would do.
Just jerk out your wang right there.
Michael Jackson, because he always give it this.
Yeah.
Like he's jerking it up, you know.
Yeah.
Hanging too low and he had
Yeah.
to jerk it up.
Uh-huh.
To me,
Maybe he was. Who knows?
he liked little boys. He liked little boys. He's sleeping with little boys.
Tonight at 7:30 on Star 64.
Maybe that's